Pero redemption ko po ito ngayon. And I'm very happy, Mr. Chair, Mr. Senate President, for me to liberate ourselves, from the demons playing in our conscience for the many sins that we have committed to the people. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Popoy Lagman.
Sir.
Popoy Lagman.
Popoy Lagman was never assassinated by the NPA. I will not tell kung sino, alam din namin.
Pero hindi NPA.
Hindi NPA po. Tabara, yes. Sa Fairview, SM Fairview po. Arturo Tabara. Yes po. Rolly Quintanar po. Yeah.
Hindi, si Rolly Abadilla.
Yeah. Rolly Quintanar was a major
Hindi,
project of the...
Abadilla. Abadilla.
Hindi po, sir.
Hindi,
Rolando
NPA.
Abadilla.
Hindi po, sir. You will learn a lot from us, sir. Pero ABB, yeah. ABB. Sir, 1 minute, Mr. Chair, if I may. I am very happy.